Hey ChoroQ collectors! So I just thought I'd throw this video up because I discovered a third size of ChoroQ recently. So if you look at the images behind, that's a normal size ChoroQ, which is this one here. This is the Chibico ChoroQ, which is this one here. This one's a jumbo. Look at this person's hand. I will not be collecting that. As cool as it is, I don't have room for that. But anyways, it's not a skyline, but I found this, and it has the ChoroQ logo on the back, so I have to imagine this is an official ChoroQ product. And all it says on the bottom is 2007 Tomy. They're the company that makes these things, Takara Tomy. And it does still have a spring motor. It does still have rubbery tires. It's just that it's really minuscule, so it's quite interesting. I couldn't figure out what these things are called, so if anyone knows, please let me know. Here, I'm just going to wind it up. Yeah, it does move. Okay. So, yeah. So if you're collecting ChoroQs, be mindful of this one. It would just be a shame if you ordered it online thinking it's this size, and then that thing shows up. The Chibicos actually say Chibico on the back of it. But this one, it just has a white printing on the black back, so I guess that's one way to distinguish it. So, yeah, just thought I'd let you know. Okay, thanks for watching.